The purpose of this video is to provide you with information so that you know and understand how to use the Partol Pro system and how it generally works. Partol Pro is a security monitoring system for the improvement of professional surveillance. A basic Partol Pro system includes touch memory chips, a touch probe, a downloader, a serial cable, a phone cable, and an external modem. The Partol Pro chips are memory chips housed in small, water-resistant stainless steel canisters with a unique ID number encoded inside. These chips are mounted around a property at key areas of interest. A touch probe is a rugged, portable data collector. With a simple touch, a touch probe reads a memory chip. A security professional uses a touch probe to scan each chip during a patrol. A Partol Pro downloader provides the communication link between a touch probe and the Partol Pro servers. To download the data information from a touch probe, simply place it in the downloader's cradle. Once in place, the touch probe communicates with the downloader and the downloader handles the rest. Let's take a moment to walk through a download procedure. The touch probe is placed in the downloader. The downloader recognizes the touch probe. The downloader contacts the modem. The modem calls the Partol Pro servers. And the information is downloaded. The downloader indicates that the information has been received and the download is complete. When arriving to your assigned location, make sure you call on duty as required by your employer.
Michael Carrillo calling on duty at location 1. Okay, thank you.
It is always important that you verify that your equipment is present at the beginning of your shift. Get your equipment and log the touch probe on duty. Some locations may assign an employee chip that is used to verify who is using the touch probe. Gather your necessary materials and check your post orders for any updates or changes. Be sure to place your duty chip back in the appropriate storage location. Once you are ready to do your rounds, securely fasten the touch probe to your person. Check to ensure the touch probe is secure. Failure to secure the touch probe can result in damage to the unit. The touch probe should always remain fastened to you. Do not toss, throw, smack, bang, or drag the touch probe, as this may cause damage to the unit and cause possible malfunction. This touch probe has been dropped, scraped, banged, and generally abused. As you can see, the head of this touch probe has received significant damage. Damage to this area is a primary cause of failure to a touch probe. You may experience difficulty contacting data chips with this type of damage. Be sure to contact the data chip at an angle and slide the touch probe into contact. The center portion of the touch probe makes contact with the center of the chip. The outside of the probe makes contact with the outside of the chip. This completes the circuit and transfers the data. When making contact with a new touch probe, be sure to place the head of the probe over the chip. If you do not make contact correctly, the touch probe will not beep. It is possible to make contact but not receive a beep. If this should happen, try making contact several more times. Try using the angle and slide method. If the touch probe still does not beep, you should contact the appropriate personnel for repair. Always make sure you know where the memory chips are located. Every chip must be hit during your rounds. Always make sure you are aware of what is happening in the area of the chip. You are the eyes and the ears of the client while you are on duty. You safeguard the facility. It is important that you check the area for suspicious activities and that the doors are secure. As you perform your rounds and contact the chips, the system dates and timestamps each one. If you are unaware of a location of a chip, check your post orders or call your superiors for help. It is vital that you contact every chip. When you leave for the day, remember to leave the touch probe on site so that it's available for the next shift. If you leave the site with the touch probe, you will be expected to return it promptly. Remember, do not leave the site with the touch probe. Use your begin-end duty button to indicate the end of your shift, then complete the final download. When you place the touch probe into the downloader, watch to ensure the unit is functioning properly. If it is not, check the system for problems. Check that the power cord is connected and that the gray cord coming from the modem is in the computer port. Check that the power supply for the downloader and the modem are securely plugged in. If they're plugged into a power strip, make sure that the power strip is turned on. Check the back of the modem to make sure that the phone line is plugged into the line port. The downloader is connected and the power is plugged in. Be sure to properly store all your equipment and notify dispatch that you are going off duty.
Michael Carrillo called off duty at location 1. Alright, thank you.
Following these easy guidelines, the security professional is able to operate the Partol Pro system to peak efficiency. This concludes this video of the Partol Pro system. For more information, please contact our website at www.partolpro.com.